What's up everybody, Eric here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. I got a great video in store for you here today. We're renovating this pool behind us and we're going to show you a really quick and simple way to prevent cracks from expanding from the deck over into the pool. A lot of times you'll see cracks that cause the tile and the coping to pop off and get destroyed, and we're going to show you a quick way to prevent that, so stay tuned.
Thank you for tuning in with Chlorine King. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. If you need any help with your business, then join my Patreon, links below, where you will improve your business and get exclusive discounts with my partners in the industry. Check out the sponsors for this video. Skimmer will revolutionize the efficiency of your business and communication for your clients all in one modern and easy to use app. With everything you need to run your pool business with software that rocks, click the link below to learn more. Riptide Pool Vacuum Systems will allow you to service more pools per day and feel more refreshed at the end of it. With the blow-off proof bags, the most powerful vac head, awesome transport rack, and so much more, check out the link below. Now, let's get to the video.
All right, JT, so talk a little bit about what the point of using the concrete saw for this is.
Yeah, so today what we're doing is this customer had a lot of decks, cracks along her deck that were going into the pool and causing tile and coping and other surface material to fall off back into the pool. So what we're doing is we're creating a crack on the perimeter of the pool that allows the deck that is creating this crack to cause issues in the pool to separate more on the deck and not in the pool. This is a very important step that a lot of people don't do because it takes just a little bit more time, but that time is going to save the homeowner a lot more money in the future, because now that issue is going to be up on the deck where it's a simple fix, where it's you're talking maybe $500 to $1,000 to fix, where if they didn't do it, it could be $15,000 to $20,000. You know, so it's a little 3 to 4 hour step that people are missing. Us at Pool Renovators do it so that we don't have issues with the customers 5 to 10 years down the road. This could last 10 to 20 years, you know, and then not have any issues. Obviously, it's all ground shifting, and we're in Florida, so everything moves. But we're going to show you why and how we do it and go from there.
Now talk about that little specialty tool there. What is it? Yes. What does it do, and how do we utilize it?
This is a concrete saw, wet saw. You can use it dry or wet. And basically what this is giving us this nice groove here to go down through the concrete. Now, when we do this, we're not going all the way through the deck. I mean, some areas you're going to accidentally get through it. It's okay. But you kind of just want to make it more of a weaker area, meaning that it's really thin concrete, so that if there is any shifting, it will still separate right there. When we get done with it, we're going to clean the crack out, and we're going to shoot some expandable and contractible caulking product that will actually help prevent, if it ever does break, it will prevent sand from washing down in the crack and have further issues.
So at the end of the day, this crack right here is the weak point now. So if something gives, it's going to be right there at the crack instead of extending over into the pool.
Exactly. It's going to go into this crack and not inside the pool, cause all kinds of water loss, you know, tile popping off, coping popping off, and the actual surface material popping off, which in theory, once something falls off, you can't put it back to make it look good again. You got to replace it all. So it's very inexpensive to fix it on the deck. I mean, pulling papers up, resanding, and put the papers back down. Simple, you know.
Awesome. Well, let's go ahead and show the guys and gals the cracks that you're talking about and some stuff that can happen in the pool when you don't do this procedure.
Okay, so what was existing on this pool deck, if you see here, I mean, there's huge crack. I mean, it's going all the way down in the pool. And it was popping off the tiles and going down the wall and the surface and everything like that. I mean, and this is just a little one, which obviously little to me, that's a 4 or 5 footer. So, I mean, they're everywhere. I mean, you can just follow all over here, you know? So us not doing this, we know, being in the industry for so long, you know it's gonna have issues in the future. If you keep following this around, it'll keep doing the same thing. So what we do, you know, for things like handrails and skimmers, you obviously need something to hold the skimmer in. Some kind of concrete. So you don't ever want to, when you're cutting it, get too close to it. So we made a big box around it, so we still have the structure that's holding the skimmer in place, so it's not going to shift and move. So there's no more. Now there is a huge crack here that's going on here. It hasn't caused any issue with the skimmer. There's no leaking. We did a leak detection. We're doing pressure tests on all this. We always do a pressure test after we do our cuts, just in case something happened where we cut through the deck and hit one of our pipes. That's the next stage after we get done today. And same thing with the handrails. So handrails, you just want to make sure that you have a nice good area where you got a lot of concrete, so you can still pull yourself out. You're not gonna have issues with the homeowner falling off the stairs because the handrails got pulled out of the concrete. So we have a large crack around here that we cut out, separation joint, and that's gonna allow us still have the same support and everything they need so they can pull themselves out of the pool.
So I hope you guys liked what you saw and you guys learned a little bit about how to prevent cracks from causing more damage in the pool. If you just take that quick, simple step, it'll prevent that. So stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.
Thank you.